Welcome to West Palm Beach. Littered with yachts and sailboats, today I'm going to take you inland to Clematis Street. Peep the skyline and let's get on with it. Coming off the pier, we'll make our way through Nancy M. Graham Centennial Square. Crossing South Flagler Street, you'll see E.R. Bradley's Saloon, a place with a great indoor bar and pool tables, and about 4 or 5 tikis outside. The pergolas provide some much needed shade, and up ahead there's a fountain to cool off. At the top of Clematis Street is Palm Beach Drama Works, performing arts theater. Next to Panna Tree Cafe, a nice spot for coffee and gourmet breakfast and lunch. Here's Lenora's Restaurant. Sour Bun Bar. Beside Clematis Social. Getting back to my roots, here's a batch New Southern Kitchen. Next to Duffy's Sports Bar, which is really a bizarro Gators Dockside. Always love to see a Potbelly Sushi. And here's a tavern-looking place called Roxy's, which top of the rocks is their rooftop spot. Carmela Coffee on Clematis Street. Here's a couple vacant spots looking to be filled. But I gotta tell you, there's no shortage of smoke shops. Here's a cool coffee shop, which has the West Palm Beach Public Library. Turning back, there's a Rise dispensary right on the corner. Fittingly, right beside Peach Wave frozen yogurts. Ascend the Trend barbershop and nail salon. .420 Ave Smoke Shop. Field of Greens, salads and sandwiches. Master Grill Mediterranean. With the ever-popular CVS Pharmacy on the corner of Dixie Highway. Heading to the water is Nigo's Pizza with great-looking pies. Top Star Hair Salon. Back in here's a little pocket with a kava shop and tattoo parlor. Sushi Yama looks reasonably priced for some Asian food. Next to a freaky Jimmy John's. Here's the fitness hub that I had in my last West Palm video. Kabuki looks like a great spot, offering lunch specials. This is the market on Clematis Street. Waxen's is a Swedish fine dining spot. Starbucks, just a block from the marina. Here's the famous Rocco's Tacos. The Mystic Table Steakhouse. And Crema Gourmet. Pioneer Linens. And to cap it off, the Cowboy Club, a spot I have yet to venture into. I will have to show you what's north of the train tracks on Clematis streets, but next time I'll show you midnight on this stretch. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.